Hello all. Today we will learn some tricks of Vedic mathematics in which how we can do easy multiplications. Okay? So let's start. We will try some multiplication with 11. Multiplication with any 11. Okay? So let's take any digit, any double digit number which we need to multiply with 11. So for example, I am taking 32, a number, and I will multiply it with 11. Okay, so we have a very easy trick. You don't need to multiply with 11. You don't need to learn 11 table, but with very easy trick you can get the answer. Okay, in 32 we have two numbers. One is a right side number, one is a left side number. Okay, so what we will do is the left side number we will place in left side answer. The right side number we will place as right side answer. So we got left hand side answer and we get left hand side answer and we get right hand side answer. So now we need a middle answer. Okay, what will be the middle answer? If you will add this left side digit with this right side digit. So it is 3 plus 2. Whatever answer will come, that will be the middle answer. So the 3 plus 2, it is 5. So the final answer is 352. Okay, we will do two more examples. So 51 into 11, 36 into 11. Let's see who can give the answer. Okay, so here in 51, this 1 we will place here, this 5 we will place here, and we will add 5 and 1. So 5 plus 1, that is 6. This is the middle answer. Here also, here it is 3, here it is 6, and we add 3 and 6, that is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. So this is very easy. So let's try one more example. Suppose we will multiply 77 with 11. We will do the same thing. 7 we will place here, and this 7 we will place here. So we get left hand side answer 7, right hand side answer 7. Now if we will add these two numbers, now 7 plus 7, that is 14. 14 is a double digit number, but in middle place only we need a single digit number. So if in middle place you find double digit number, what we need to do? You write only the unit digit 4 here, and that 1 will be carry over to here. So 747, and you need to add 7, 4, and this is 8. So our final answer is 847. Let's do one more example in this. If we will multiply 89 with 11. Okay, so let's see. First we will place 9 here, we will place 8 here, and then 8 plus 9, that is 17. So 7 in middle place and 1 will carry over here. So this is 979. So hope you understood how to multiply with 11. Now we will try another number. So that is any triple digit, 3 digit multiplied with 101. 3 digit multiplied by 101. In this case, let's take an example. Suppose a simple example, I will take 123 multiplied by 101. Okay, so generally we need to multiply to get the answer, but here what we will do is we will use another trick to get this answer. So the first trick here is 123. There are 3 digits. First step what we will do is we need to find out the left side 2 digits. What are the left side 2 digits of 123? The left side 2 digits of 123 is 12. So we will take this 12 and place as left side answer. So we got the first answer. Now in second step we need to find 2 digits towards right side of this number. In 123, the right side 2 digits are 3 and 2, 23. So again in second step, we will take this 23 and place as right side answer. So in left side answer we got 12, in right side answer we get 23. Now coming to middle answer. So in middle answer, what we will do, we will add this leftmost digit with the rightmost digit, that is 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3, that is 4. And we got the answer. 123 multiplied by 101 is equal to 12,423. Let's take one more example in this. 257 multiplied by 101. So hope you understood the topic I covered till now. Let's do. We need to find the left 2 digits, that is 25, we will place here. We need to find out right 2 sides, that is 57, we will place here. And then we will add the leftmost digit with the rightmost digit, that is 2 and 7. So 2 plus 7, that is 9. So 257 into 101 is equal to 25,957. So I will do 2-3 more tricks for you. 356 multiplied by 101. Another one is 442 multiplied by 101. Okay? As I am solving, you also solve and try to get the answer. Okay? So here left side 2 digit is 35. So we will place 35 here. The right side 2 digits are 56. So we will place 56 here. And middle answer how we will get? We will add this 3 with this 6. Leftmost digit and rightmost digit. 3 plus 6, that is 9. So we got this answer 35956, 35,956. Now we will try with 442 multiplied with 101. Same, we will take this left side 2 digit, that is 44. We will take that right side 2 digits, that is 42. Okay, and for the middle answer, same like here. Here also we will add 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2, that will be 6. So the answer is 44,642. Continuing with multiplication with 101, we will take a different kind of example. Let's take the example 567 multiplied by 101. Okay? So as I told you, the first left side answer will be left side 2 digits, that is 56. So we will place here 56. The right side 2 digits are right side answer, so we will place 67 here. Now coming to the middle answer, that is 5 and 7. If we will add 5 with 7. So 5 plus 7, that will be 12. But in middle place only we have place for only single digit answer. So how we will write 12? So we can write 2 in the place of middle answer and 1 will be carry over here. So your final answer is 5, 7, 2, 6, 7. If you get the middle answer double digit, so the tens place will be carry over to the left side. Okay, let's do one more example. Suppose it is 999 multiplied by 101. Okay, so try this. So first left side 2 digits 99, so we will place here 99. Again we take right side 2 digits, that is also 99, so we place 99 as right side answer. Now we will try to add the left and right side. 9 plus 9, that is 18. So 18 is a double digit number, so we will place 8 here and 1 will be carry over. So it will be 9, 9, 8, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry over. So 9 plus 1, 10. So we got this answer 1,899. Let's do a final example in this. Suppose it is 888 multiplied by 101. Okay. So everyone can try this. Left side 2 digits are 88. So we will place 88 on the left side. Right side 2 digits are also 88. So we will place 88 this side. And we will add 8 and 8. Left side digit is 8. Right side digit also 8. 8 plus 8, that is 16. So what we will do? We will write 6 in the middle answer place and we will take carry over 1 to the left side. Now we will add these 2 digits. So final answer will be 89,688. Hope all of you understood how to do multiplication with 101. You can try any double digit to multiply with 101. I will give you one example that is very easy. Suppose we are multiplying 72 with 101. Okay. So as I told you before, that trick applies for triple digit with multiplied by 101, but we have double digit here. So if there is double digit, we nothing to do, only we need to place a 0 on the left of the digit without changing the value. So now 072 is a triple digit number. So again we will follow the same trick. 07 we will place this side. 72 we will place this side. And we will add 0 and 2. 0 plus 2, that is 2. So you got your final answer 7,272. Let's do one more example in this. 56 multiplied with 101. So how many zeros you need to place here? You need to place 1 0, so it can be a triple digit. So 05 this side, 56 this side, and 0 plus 6, that is 6. So answer is 5656. So now we learn we need to how to multiply double digit with 101 and triple digit with 101.